So, what are you doing here? I told you that I will not allow you to meet my son.
He is my son also.
How can you say that? You abandoned us when he was a baby and went to live with your girlfriend in Sweden.
Oh, come on. Yes, I went to Sweden, but not for any girlfriend. I went there to earn some money for our future.
But you did not bother to contact us even in all these years. And now you suddenly appear from somewhere and talk to me like this.
I know I made a terrible mistake. I accept my mistake, and have apologized to you a number of times.
That was not easy. David and I both had to face a lot without you. He was always very upset when other children's fathers came on Parent Day.
I just want to talk to him, to explain everything, why I left, and that I'm here now.
I don't want you to hurt him, he's happy now.
I've been coming here to beg you every day for 3 months. Please let me talk to my son, Olivia.
Okay, you can talk to him, but that will be the first and last chance. If he doesn't want to talk to you in the future, promise you will not disturb us.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Good morning, sir. My mom told me you want to talk to me. Who are you?
Yes, David. I need to talk to you because there is something important I need to tell you. I suppose you don't know who I am.
No, I don't know you, but I am getting worried now. What's going on here?
David, I know I haven't been here for a long time, but I came back now. I came here because of you. I really need you to understand why I did what I did, son.
Son, why do you call me son? What's happening here? Who are you?
I know I was absent, but I finally came. Son, I am your father. I am here.
What are you talking about? My father died many years ago.
No, David, I didn't die. I had to leave when you were born, because I had to make money for you, my son, and your mom. That's why I traveled to Sweden.
How is it possible that you make money for your wife and son, but you never got time to even contact them for 18 years? I don't care. You can go back to Sweden or any other place. I'm fine here.
No, you're not understanding the situation. I have a lot of money. You can live your life like a prince.
I don't care if you have money. My father died when I was born. That's it. My mother is my mom and my dad.
No, my son. I didn't die. I'm here. I'm back, and…
My father died when I was born. That's it. I need nothing from you. I don't want to go out or have any relationship with you, sir.
David, I remained jobless for almost a year before you were born. I was panicked when you were born, wondering how I could fulfill my responsibilities. Your mom was also earning very little money, so I decided to leave the country for money. But you're right. How dare I come like this and tell you all these things just like that? I'm really sorry, David. I was excited to meet you, expecting that you would be very happy to see me. I didn't realize you didn't see me as your dad. You are right. I wasn't here to watch your first steps. I wasn't here when you got sick. I wasn't here to watch you grow. And now I come like this and ask you to be my son. Like everything was fine, but it isn't. What I did is unforgivable. I thought we could buy everything with money. But I was wrong. I got money and lost my wife and son. Sorry is a small word against what I have done to you both.
Maybe you panicked, but my mom didn't. She raised me, and she did it well. She was always there for me. Now you came here and say I'm your father. That's stupid. We're fine, sir. I don't need you in my life. I am happy with my mom. Thanks for coming.
But I want to be a part of your life, David. And I will do everything possible to earn your forgiveness.
You can do whatever you want, sir. As I already told you, I don't need you in my life. I'm happy like this, and my father died when I was born.
David, I know your father has not treated us very well. But when someone realizes and regrets their mistake and asks for an apology, we should be kind to them. After all, he is your father. And I am requesting respectful treatment from your side.
Mom, you are right. I am ready for reconciliation. But I feel bad about how he treated you as a wife.
I forgave him, David. Let's start with a new beginning.
Dad, I am sorry for being so rude. But you know.
Don't say anything, honey. And thank you so much for being so kind to me, Olivia. I love you and David very much.
We love you too, Dad.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.